If you're a real estate professional, a realtor, loan officer, and you're not offering credit repair services, even though you don't have to be the one doing the work, I promise you then you don't like money. Today, I'm sitting at the Credit Cloud event, and we've witnessed credit repair professionals that have made $1 million minimum, and one of them have made 10 million. You know what's funny is that most of them don't even fix credit, right? What they do is they do what is called affiliate marketing. Guys, I'm a real estate developer, right? I own a school where I have a lot of real estate students as well, but I also co-own a credit repair company and a business funding company. The reality is most of your clients that come to you to get a loan, like a mortgage, they want to qualify for, to buy a home, to buy a car, right? So for you realtors out there, loan officers, you see these people getting denied every single day, okay? So instead of you sending them away and telling them, okay, when you fix your credit, come back to me and then I'll help you buy the home, then you'll get paid. You can tell them, hey, I also offer credit services, but if you have an affiliate with a credit repair company, then you can just throw that client off to that company that you have an affiliate with, and that's now an extension of your company. And yes, you do fix credit. The only thing is you're not the one who's doing the deliverables. So now you're getting paid upfront, okay? We fix your client's credit and then send them back to you, and now you qualify them for that mortgage and they buy their home and you make money on those commissions too. Guys, that's how you build multiple streams of income, and it goes above and beyond that, because guess what? Some of these first-time home buyers, what don't they have? They don't have the down payment for the home. So we can even help them access capital to where they can use that capital once we fix the credit and get them ready. Can help them access the capital to leverage that capital to now have the money for the down payment, and then they go back to you so you can help them qualify for that loan and that mortgage. So trust me, if you're a loan officer, if you're a mortgage broker, whatever, a professional consultant in real estate, and you're not leveraging that, guy, I developed luxury real estate, right? I went from real estate wholesaling to fix and flips to now developing luxury homes, and it was a no-brainer for me to start that business because these clients need it anyway. I was sending them away, and for my students to come back to me, they're going and paying somebody else instead of me making money from that because they have the problem anyway. So guys, make sure you find a great company that can help your clientele, get an affiliate link where you even have an affiliate portal where you can log in and see exactly what's happening with the client that you referred, and you're getting paid. You're not the one who's doing the work. So now you're getting paid upfront, and then you're getting paid in the back end, and that's how you build multiple streams of income. And if you're interested in that, guys, just comment below this video, just comment affiliate, and my team got you, will help you set up and will help you take care of your clients, solve your credit issue, the down payment issue, then send them back to you all ready to buy. Now you're making money from A to Z, from front end to the back end. All right, guys, I'll see you guys on the next one. Boom, boom, boom.